So the one thing that I have just recently launched is the pump version of this. And why I like that, I don't use the pump all the time because obviously I'm trucking and I'm a guy. But like when I shave, like I showed you in my head, I like to. It's that dryness and that's perfumes from the aftershave just sting. So yeah, I'm not gonna do a lot. I don't need a lot. I just rub it in my head up here, and it hydrates and it takes that tightness away and that flaky skin that develops from the obviously the razor going all over it. It helps. I see right now it just feels really nice on my head. I got a lot on this because I just, as I said, lots of video crap that I do on my face here. I'm not a woman. I'm not going to do it all that much. But there you go. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. And now I could go and I know that my face is going to be the tightness and the dryness or whatever that I forget. I don't know the name, that not the razor burn, but anyways, that with the hairs being pulled out, that's gone, and I can carry on with my day. And it smells decent. It's not overwhelming. I don't smell like a high. So I don't use this pump that much, but I use this all the time. I bring this with trucking. It's one of, I actually, Sparkling Rain is one of my main creams I use the most. I've gone through so much of this stuff. I mean, proof is in the pudding right there. It is phenomenal. But I don't use it for my face that much, other than when I shave. I use it daily, several times a day on my hands and elbows. But with the elbows, I generally go for Water's Mist. But I love it when I'm trucking. I absolutely love it. It smells good. It feels good on my hands.
Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're going to get our hands dirty.
Ooh.
Well, not really.
Oh, yeah, good.
But we're going to be talking about hands, specifically how to take care of them,
Right.
especially for all of you out there working hard,
Yeah.
building things, fixing things, making things happen.
Yeah, your hands are your most important tools.
Absolutely. And we're diving into a new product that's made just for folks like you.
Oh, and what is that?
It's called Sparkling Rain, and it's a skin moisturizer.
Interesting. So a deep dive into Sparkling Rain. What makes it so special?
Well, what I love about it is it's natural.
Okay.
No harsh chemicals,
Right.
no perfumes, none of that stuff that, you can't even pronounce.
Yeah, I'm not a chemist, so half the time I don't even know what I'm putting on my skin.
Exactly. And the cool thing is, it's actually proven to work.
Oh, wow. So there's science behind it.
Yeah. Today, the company that makes Sparkling Rain, they actually commissioned an independent study
Oh, wow.
to look at just how effective it is.
Smart move.
Yeah.
People want proof these days.
Right. And it's not just about feeling good, it's about getting real results.
I like that. So what did this study focus on?
Well, they honed in on Sparkling Rain's antioxidant properties.
Antioxidants. Yeah, that's a word we hear a lot, but what are they really, and why should we care?
Exactly. I was going to ask the same thing. I mean, I know they're supposed to be good for you, but...
Think of it this way. When you're out there working hard, you're exposed to all kinds of stuff.
Oh, yeah. Sun, dirt, grime, the whole 9 yards.
Right. And all that stuff can actually generate these things called free radicals.
Free radicals. What are those, like, little gremlins that attack your skin or something?
Kind of. You can think of them like tiny little rust particles that are constantly trying to wear down your skin.
Okay, I'm getting a picture, and that's where the antioxidants come in.
Exactly. Antioxidants are like little warriors that fight off those free radicals and protect your skin from damage.
So there's like a shield for your hands.
Precisely. And Sparkling Rain is packed with these antioxidants thanks to its unique blend of natural ingredients.
So it's not just about slathering on any old lotion. It's about choosing something that's actively working to protect and repair your skin.
I couldn't agree more.
Especially when it takes a beating every single day.
Right. And that's another thing that's great about Sparkling Rain. It's all natural.
Yeah, we talked about that, but what does that really mean for our skin?
Well, it means that instead of relying on harsh chemicals or alcohol, which can actually dry out your skin.
Oh, right, like a lot of those hand sanitizers.
Exactly. They might kill the germs, but they can also do a number on your skin.
Yeah, you trade one problem for another.
Sparkling Rain takes a different approach. It uses the power of nature to nourish and protect your skin.
So what kind of natural ingredients are we talking here?
Well, some of the key players are chaga mushroom extract and grapefruit oil.
Chaga mushroom, now that's not something you hear about every day.
You're right about that. It's not your typical button mushroom you'd find in the grocery store.
So where does it come from?
Chaga mushrooms actually grow on birch trees, almost like hard black knots.
Wow, so not exactly the prettiest mushroom out there?
Not visually appealing, but it's a powerhouse when it comes to skin health.
Really? So what makes it so special?
Well, for starters, it's loaded with antioxidants, just like we talked about.
So it's helping to fight off those free radicals.
Yes, but it also has incredible anti-inflammatory properties.
Okay, so what does that mean for our hands? So it not only protects your skin from damage, but it can actually help calm down redness and irritation,
Exactly. It's like a soothing balm for your skin.
which is exactly what you need after a long day of work.
You got it. And there's more.
Okay, tell me more.
So CANhaveTODAY wasn't just satisfied with anecdotal evidence, people
Yeah.
saying, oh, this feels good on my skin.
Right.
They wanted like hard proof. So they actually did an independent study
Wow.
to investigate Sparkling Rain's antioxidant activity.
Okay, that's pretty serious for a moisturizer.
I know.
Those companies don't do that.
Yep.
So what did they find?
Really impressive results.
Okay.
They found that Sparkling Rain has significant antioxidant activity comparable to ascorbic acid,
Which is...
which is basically vitamin C.
Oh, wow.
So that means it's a powerhouse when it comes to protecting your skin from damage.
Okay, hold on, back up for a second.
Sure.
For those of us who, haven't looked at a biology textbook in a while,
Yeah,
what exactly are antioxidants and why should we care about them?
right. Good question.
Yeah.
So think of antioxidants like tiny little bodyguards
Okay.
for your skin cells.
Right.
Every day, our skin is exposed to things that can damage it.
Right.
Sun pollution, even just the natural aging process.
Yeah.
And all of those things create these little troublemakers called free radicals.
Free radicals.
Yeah.
Sounds kind of scary.
They're unstable molecules that can damage your skin cells,
Okay.
leading to premature aging and all sorts of problems.
So antioxidants come in and neutralize them.
Exactly. They fight off the free radicals.
Okay, that makes sense.
Keep your skin healthy and resilient.
So Sparkling Rain has these built-in bodyguards
Yes.
that are fighting off the bad guys.
Yes.
Keeping our skin looking good.
Exactly.
I like that.
And it's not just any old antioxidants.
Okay.
These are derived from some pretty unique natural ingredients.
Like, give me the rundown.
Okay, so one of the star ingredients is chaga mushroom extract.
Chaga mushroom.
Yeah.
That sounds more like something you'd find in like a fancy tea shop.
I know, right?
Not a skin cream.
It might sound strange, but these mushrooms are incredible.
Okay.
They grow on birch trees, and they look kind of like burnt wood,
Really?
but they're packed with antioxidants.
Wow.
And they have amazing anti-inflammatory properties.
So they can help soothe irritated skin.
Exactly, which is a huge win for people, working tough jobs.
Right. All that wear and tear.
Yeah.
So not your average portobello mushroom.
Definitely not.
All right. What else is in this magic potion?
All right, so another key player is grapefruit oil.
Okay.
It's known for its antibacterial activity, which helps keep your skin clean and clear.
Right.
But it also contributes to the overall antioxidant power of Sparkling Rain.
Okay. So we've got chaga, mushroom extract, fighting free radicals.
Yes.
Grapefruit oil, keeping things clean.
Mm-hmm.
What else is in there?
So there's a whole team of natural oils working together.
Yeah.
Grapeseed oil, mango seed butter, olive oil, sweet almond oil, and even aloe barbadensis leaf juice.
Wow, they really packed it in there.
Yeah, and they each bring their own set of benefits,
Right.
all working together to keep your skin healthy and hydrated.
It's like a whole skincare routine in one bottle.
Exactly.
No wonder it's getting so much attention.
Yeah, and the best part is that all of these ingredients are chosen for their specific benefits to the skin barrier.
Hold up, skin barrier.
Yeah.
Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie.
I know, right?
What is that all about?
It's pretty important.
Okay, so tell me more about this skin barrier thing.
Right, so it's kind of a fancy term, but it's basically your skin's first line of defense
Okay.
against the world. Think of it like a brick wall protecting your house.
All right, a strong wall keeps the bad stuff out
Exactly.
and the good stuff in.
Exactly. Your skin barrier is made up of special cells and lipids.
Lipids.
Yeah, they're basically fats, and they form this waterproof seal
Okay.
that keeps moisture in and irritants out.
So just like a brick wall can crumble,
Yeah,
our
unfortunately.
skin barrier can get damaged.
Exactly, and that's what causes a lot of problems.
So what kind of things can mess it up?
Lots of things.
Okay.
Especially things you probably encounter every day at work.
Like what?
Harsh chemicals, sun exposure, even just dry air.
Right.
These can all weaken the skin barrier.
And then that leads to...
Dryness, irritation, those painful cracks.
Yeah, ouch. I've been there.
Exactly. Nobody wants that.
So how does sparkling rain help?
Right, so it's not magic,
Right.
but it's pretty close. Remember those antioxidants we were talking about?
Yeah, little bodyguards fighting off the free radicals.
Exactly. They play a crucial role in protecting the skin barrier
Okay.
from damage. And sparkling rain doesn't just have any old antioxidants.
Right.
It's got a whole team of them from those natural ingredients we talked about,
Mm-hmm.
like the chaga mushroom extract.
Okay, right.
It's full of these powerful antioxidants called polyphenols.
Polyphenols.
Yeah, they're like the elite squad of the antioxidant world,
Wow.
known for their ability to fight free radical damage
Mm-hmm.
and reduce inflammation.
Okay, so they're not just protecting the skin, they're also calming it down
Exactly, like a double whammy.
when it gets irritated, yeah.
And chaga mushrooms also have these things called triterpenes.
Triterpenes.
Yeah, they also
Yeah.
have anti-inflammatory properties and can even help boost collagen production.
Collagen, that's what
Yeah.
keeps our skin looking,
Yeah, young and bouncy.
young and bouncy, exactly.
Yeah. And then there's melanin, another powerful antioxidant in chaga mushrooms, which helps protect your skin from the sun's UV rays.
Okay, so this chaga mushroom sounds like it's really doing a lot.
It's a superstar.
Yeah. What about the grapefruit oil?
Oh, yeah, grapefruit oil is awesome.
Does it have any special powers too?
You bet, it's a rich source of vitamin C.
Okay.
Another big name in the antioxidant world.
Right.
Vitamin C is known for helping protect the skin from sun damage and stimulating collagen production.
So it's kind of doing double duty too.
Exactly. It's like a 2-for-1 deal.
Keeping that skin barrier strong and preventing wrinkles.
Yes. Sign me up for that.
Me too.
And there's more.
Okay, there's more.
Grapefruit oil also contains a compound called limon.
Lemon.
Yeah, and it has antibacterial and antifungal properties.
So it's like an extra layer of protection.
Exactly. It helps keep those nasty microbes in check,
Okay.
which is really important if you work in environments where your skin is exposed to a lot of dirt and grime.
Right, like all those blue-collar jobs.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm starting to understand why this sparkling rain is so unique.
It really is a special formula.
It's not just moisturizing, it's like a full-on defense system
That's a great way to put it.
for your skin.
And we haven't even talked about the other nourishing oils in sparkling rain yet.
Okay, right. There's more.
Yeah, like grapeseed oil, which is full of vitamin E.
Another good one.
Amazing for promoting healing. And then mango seed butter.
Mm-hmm.
It's packed with fatty acids and vitamins
Nice.
that deeply moisturize and nourish the skin.
So it's like they really thought of everything
They really did.
when they put this formula together.
It's a pretty incredible formula.
Yeah, I'm a little overwhelmed
I know it's a lot to take in.
by all these ingredients.
Yeah, but they all work together.
But in a good way.
Yeah.
It's just amazing how they all work together.
And the best part is it's all natural
Yeah.
and backed by scientific research.
Right. So this isn't just some marketing hype.
No, they actually did the studies
They've got the proof.
to
Yeah.
prove it works.
I like that solid science and natural ingredients.
Exactly the best of both worlds.
What's not to love? But I have to ask, does all this science stuff actually translate to real-life benefits?
That's a great question, and that's what we're going to talk about next.
All right, let's get practical. Okay, so we've talked about the science. We've talked about all these amazing ingredients in sparkling rain. But now I want to know how this actually plays out in the real world.
Right? That's what it's all about.
You can know all the science, but if it doesn't actually help you in your everyday life, then what's the point, right? Imagine you're on a construction site and you've just spent the last hour handling rough lumber. Your hands are probably covered in splinters and feeling rough as sandpaper.
Oh, yeah. I can picture it.
What do you do?
Well, instead of reaching for some harsh solvent that's just going to dry out your skin even more.
Right, which is the last thing you need.
Exactly. You can use sparkling rain to clean up and moisturize at the same time.
Oh, that's a great idea. So it's like a two-in-one solution.
Precisely.
Okay, what about those times when you're on the road and nature calls?
Oh, yeah. Those portable toilets aren't exactly known for their luxurious hand-washing facilities.
Exactly. And, you don't always have access to running water.
Right. Well, sparkling rain can be your on-the-go hygiene hero.
Okay. I like it so it's like having a portable sink in your pocket.
Pretty much. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or your toolbox, so you can have it handy whenever you need it.
And it's not just about cleaning. It's also about protecting your skin from the elements and those pesky free radicals.
You got it.
Okay, so we've got construction sites, we've got portable toilets. What other situations can you think of?
That's a great question. While the research has primarily focused on sparkling rain's antioxidant and moisturizing properties, there's a growing body of evidence suggesting that some of its ingredients might offer even more benefits.
Okay, now you've got me intrigued. What kind of benefits are we talking about?
Well, for example, we talked about chaga's anti-inflammatory properties.
Right.
But some studies suggest that it could potentially help with specific skin conditions like eczema.
Wow, really?
Now, more research is needed, of course.
Of course.
But it's definitely an exciting area of exploration.
So while we can't make any definitive claims, it's possible that sparkling rain could offer relief for people who struggle with those kinds of issues.
That's the hope, and that's the beauty of working with natural ingredients. There's always more to discover.
It's true. Who knows what other benefits might be hiding within these powerful plants?
Yeah. Exactly, and that's what makes this whole field so fascinating.
Well, we've covered a lot of ground today.
We have.
We've talked about the science behind sparkling rain, its unique blend of natural ingredients,
Right.
and how it can be a real game changer for folks like you who work hard and rely on their hands day in and day out.
We've even touched on some of the potential benefits that future research might uncover.
It's an exciting time for natural skincare.
It really is.
And I don't know about you, but I'm feeling pretty inspired to ditch those harsh chemicals and give sparkling rain a try.
Me too. Who wouldn't want happy, healthy hands?
Exactly. So to wrap things up, I want to leave you with this. Think about all the amazing things your hands do for you each and every day.
They really are incredible.
They're your connection to the world,
Yeah.
your instruments of creation, your tools for building a better future.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Don't they deserve the best?
Absolutely. And that's exactly what sparkling rain offers.
Natural, effective, and nourishing care for the hands that work hard.
Well said.
Well, thanks for joining us on this deep dive into sparkling rain.
It's been a pleasure.
We hope you learned something new and are feeling empowered to give those hardworking hands the TLC they deserve.
And we'll see you next time.
Until then, stay curious.